everyone, you are welcome back to my channel. I'm NG Styles. Welcome to 2018. We are happy, all right? I believe I'm happy. If you are not, I'm happy. We are all happy to cross over. So this is gonna be my first video in the year 2018, and we're gonna be making a simple coconut and honey body wash. This body wash is very good for the skin. It's going to keep your skin hydrated, especially if you are having dry skin, because here we are in the winter now, so we need something that will keep our skin hydrated. So let's get right to the video while I show you what we're going to be using to make this awesome body wash. So to make this, I am using my organic virgin coconut oil. Can you see it? Make sure the coconut oil you are using is pure and organic, and make sure it's unrefined and cold pressed. Okay, so I'll be using my coconut oil, and I'll be using my organic raw honey. Okay, make sure it's organic raw honey so that you can get good results. So here I have my coconut oil. I have 3 tablespoons of coconut oil in this glass, and I have melted it. As you can see, you can use double boiler method to melt it, or melt it in your microwave. And here I have my raw honey. I'm using 60 ml of raw honey, which is 1/3 cup. Okay, measure it out here. And other ingredients I will be adding to it is my organic castor oil. Can you see it? Organic castor oil. And I'll be adding my organic vegetable glycerin, vitamin E oil, organic castor soap. I'm using the Dr. Bronner's brand. As you can see, you can use any castor soap or any soap base you have. And here I am using this is the soap nut solution we made the other day. So I'm going to add it to the soap, the body wash I'm making, because I need the benefits from these soap nuts, you know. I need some of the benefits, you know, on my soap, my body wash, sorry. Then I'm going to be adding some essential oils. You can use any essential oil you like. Here I have, I'm using lemongrass essential oil and eucalyptus essential oil because of the benefits of it. You know, it's good, you know, for lemongrass, can lighten the skin and help in the cold weather we are. It helps to relieve cold, fever. Even they really wrote it, acne and fever on it. It does wonders for the skin. And eucalyptus also is very good for, you know, like healing. If you have any wound on your skin, eucalyptus can heal it. And also relief of muscle pains and body ache. So it's good for body wash, you know. You're going to get the benefits. But you can as well use any essential oil you like I said. And then I'm going to be adding little xanthan gum for thickening. And xanthan gum is also very good for our skin. You know, it's natural and approved by FDA, of course. So, like I said, here I have 3 tablespoons of coconut oil here. So next, I'm going to be adding my raw honey to it. Like I said, this is a very simple but effective body wash, especially if you have dry skin. So next I'm gonna measure 1 cup of castor soap. I'm gonna be adding 1 cup of castor soap, and I'm gonna be adding also 1 cup of my soap nut solution to it. Then I'm going to add glycerin to it. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of glycerin. You can reduce the quantity of glycerin and coconut oil if you have oily skin. Like I said, this is for dry skin and the weather we are in here. So I'm going to be adding my castor oil now. I'm going to be adding my castor oil, and I'm going to also add 2 tablespoons of castor oil. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil to it. And I'm going to add 4 drops of essential oil, eucalyptus first. 2, 3, 4. And 4 drops of lemongrass oil. 2, 3. Smells amazing. So after that, we're going to give it a good stir. Next, I will be adding my za'atar gum. I will start by adding half teaspoon. Then I will give it a blend and see if it gave me what I want. So just take it and then sprinkle it all over your soap. Za'atar gum does not dissolve easily, so we need then give it a stir. You can see it does not dissolve that easily, so we need to blend it to get a good texture that you need. But first of all, give it a good stir. Stir it a little. Then take your stick blender and blend gradually. You see? So just pump a little in your sponge and use it to wash your skin, wash your body. Ooh, do you see that? You see it? You know what? The owner is behind me here, so he can't wait. He can't wait. Even when I took some to test, he was like, "You want to bite me?" That's the hand of the owner. It feels so soft. your skin will feel soft, hydrated, and it's going to brighten up your skin, you know, wash off all the dirt. So try this out this 2018 and give me a feedback, you know, let me know how it turns out on your skin also in the comment box, okay? So that will be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to stay organically beautiful this 2018. We're gonna have more and more and more and more of glowing and brighten up our skin organically. See you guys in my next video. I love you all. Be happy and stay organically beautiful. Bye bye.